Hey everybody, are you looking for that great new addition to your outdoor kitchen? Or perhaps an alternative to cooking inside your camper and heating it up in these hot desert summer days? Well, I got just the product for you. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Don't forget to hit subscribe and ding that notification bell. That way you can find out every time we come out with a new DIY, how-to, or review video. I'm Jason, and today we're gonna be talking about the Camp Chef Flat Top Griddle Accessory. All right, now this is an addition that you can put on top of any of their 2-burner 14-inch stoves. They make these Camp Chefs in 2-burner and 3-burner configuration and a 14 or 16-inch width. They have a variety of different attachments. They have this flat top grill, they have a pizza oven, and they have a grill box. It's more like a traditional grill with the grates. I got the flat top grill because I wanted something that I could cook a variety of meals on, particularly breakfast. We're a big time breakfast family, and this thing makes some awesome pancakes, makes corned beef hash crispy, just like you like it, just like from a restaurant. And it also can make some awesome smash burgers, which I will have a recipe for at the end of this video. Now, this right here weighs about 50-60 pounds. It's about $100 to $120 depending on how you purchase online. There will be a link below. I got mine on Amazon for $99. And then of course you have to buy the stove separately. This is one of the less expensive 2-burner stoves. I originally bought it for my outdoor kitchen at home, but once we got the camper, I kind of missed camping outside. So I figured, hey, we'll grab the flat top grill and bring this along. I used the grill a few times already. Like I said, we made some pancakes, made some chicken fajitas on it, made corned beef hash the other day. It was so crispy, just like how they do at a restaurant. And then yesterday for lunch, made some killer smash burgers. I don't think I will ever make hamburgers the normal way again. Now the grill, it has some hot spots to be expected. They do have thicker cast plates underneath where the burners are. I think that's supposed to absorb the heat and dissipate it. But when I shot it with my little laser thermometer, it was, as expected, hotter over where the burners are. So that's just something you'll have to adjust for. As far as maintenance, it comes pre-seasoned. I really haven't done anything. Like you can see, I kind of treat it like my Lodge cast ironware. Not using any soap. I'm really not worried about keeping it clean. I just turn it off and just let whatever's on there sizzle down to nothing while it's cooling. Right before I use it next time, I scrape it with my spatula, pour a little oil on there, and that's that. When you heat it up, they do recommend that you put it at medium low for about 5 minutes, and then bring it down to low for 2 to 3 minutes. I kind of been putting it at medium low for the 5 minutes, but then I'm cranking it up to medium because I like this thing. I used to cook in restaurants, so I like a fast grill, and this thing will definitely give you that professional experience if you can handle a fast grill. I definitely recommend putting it on medium, and it'll grill the food to perfection. All right, well, like I promised, let's get over this smash burger recipe. This is super, super easy to do on the run. These burgers were so flavorful that they didn't even need ketchup or mustard. And all you do is you just take your ground beef and you put it in some balls. And then I had some diced mushrooms and some diced onions. Have a little bit of butter, because I put down some butter before I put the burgers down, because obviously, you know, butter makes everything better. And then some buns, the softer the better. I definitely recommend like a soft potato or like Hawaiian rolls. We use the Hawaiian rolls, they're kind of sweet and super soft. So basically you take your balls and you throw them down on the grill top. I had the grill preheated to about 400 degrees, somewhere in that neighborhood. When I put my balls down, crank the heat up all the way to high because you want to get a nice sear. Then you need to smash the burgers. Now they make a variety of different smashing tools. I just have a small Lodge pan because I'm not trying to buy more stuff or haul more stuff everywhere. And I just mashed it down for 30 seconds. Now, depending on your tolerance to heat, this could get very hot. I got a little creative. I was actually using like a Tapatio glass hot sauce bottle to push down on it. I mean, really just be creative. So after 30 seconds, mashing down on each of them, I hit them with a little bit of seasoning. I just used a mixed blend seasoning from Costco. It's made by Kinder's. It's called the One. I highly recommend it. After that, give them a quick flip. It's a real quick cook, and get your mushrooms and onions on the grill with some butter. And then what really gets this recipe popping, and I'd never heard of this until a little while ago, is you want to put mayonnaise on your buns and then put them on the grill. Not butter, mayonnaise. I don't know what the science is behind this, but they grill up so buttery and so crispy. Once you flip your burgers, slap the cheese on. As soon as that cheese is done melted and the burgers are toasted, or the buns are toasted, put it all together, and that's your burger. Easy peasy. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this review. Has anybody had any experience cooking on one of these? Now, the competition I know is the Blackstone, and I kind of rolled with this one just because I already had the Camp Chef other complimentary product. So it was an easy choice for me. But if anybody had any experience with the Blackstone or using one of these, let us know in the comments below. Also, if you do have one of these, what are your favorite recipes? Go ahead and share with the community. That way we can all give it a shot next time we're out camping or in the backyard. See y'all next time. Thanks a lot.
Thank you for tuning in to another episode of JTV. Don't forget to like, comment,
subscribe.